high blood pressure. High blood pressure is the result of pumping heat at a high rate, and this also makes the blood to push the walls of arteries hardly. Since the arteries are throughout the body, this causes hypertension in the human body. A very high blood pressure can even result in heart failure. Blood pressure is categorized into two types: primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. Till date, the estimation is 95% people suffer from primary hypertension and 5% suffer from secondary hypertension. There are a few causes of high blood pressure and are listed as older age, genetics, stress, smoking, being overweight, lack of physical activity, much alcohol consumption, chronic kidney disease, thyroid disorder. The essential hypertension is more likely found in men than in women and run in families. The primary hypertension also relates to the salt content in the body. The highest ranked point for secondary hypertension is kidney diseases. What causes itching when a mosquito bites? The first and foremost amazing fact is that we said usually mosquito bites, but in reality it is only the female mosquito which bites. She actually has a pointed straw-like proboscis, with the help of which she pierces our skin's upper layer, and in course of such piercing she breaks through epidermis layer and traces blood vessels there. After wounding vessel by her needle-like nose, she releases her saliva in the wound, so that because of its anticoagulant nature, blood may keep flowing till she feeds our blood to herself up to satisfaction. Because of such saliva, immune system produces histamine and counters such foreign material, saliva, and as reaction to this, allergy causes. So it starts itching. It is also the result of histamine as defender to bite area, which causes red bumps because of the swelling of blood vessels. In short, all is because of such released saliva. What does assimilation mean? Assimilation is a process of the adaptation which was firstly presented by Jean Piaget. With the help of assimilation, we can easily take a piece of new information or technique into our ideas that are there in our soul. This is of subjective manner because it has to be modifying the techniques and the information in such a manner that it can take the complete process in pre-existing thinking. According to Jean Piaget, there are many easy ways to take information and technique, and after getting the suitable information, we can run the information in our technique. Assimilation is the easiest and shortcut way for getting success as it does not require an amount for the deal of adjustment. After the use of this process, we can broadly exist our knowledge power. Sometimes new theory or discovery of theory can be easily fitted with the previous fact of that theory. How do mirrors work? Mirrors are usually made of clear glass that has been coated on one side with a thin film of metal such as silver or aluminium. They are flat and reflect the objects in front of them accurately, maintaining the same relative size and position of the objects reflected. Light is a form of energy, and when it hits a surface such as mirror, it is reflected or bounced from the surface. This is similar to a ball bouncing off a wall. The reflected image is comprised of photons, which are particles of light. When these photons initially hit the mirror, they cause electrons to vibrate within atoms, which in turn produces an identical light photon. When light strikes a plane mirror, the light is reflected back at an equal angle, yet reversed from right to left. One example of this would be to hold up a piece of paper in front of the mirror and write a word on the paper by looking not at the paper but at the reflection of the paper in the mirror. You will discover that when you look at the paper, the word will be written backward.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.